This contract is to expand the capacity of Itori, which we are building. Itori is a 6 million tons plant, cement plant, and we hope to commission it sometime around November. But before even the commissioning, we are starting additional to double the capacity to 12 million tons. The second contract which we are signing with them today is the expansion of our export terminal here in Lagos, where we are exporting cement to other West African countries and up to Central Africa, which is Cameroon. This is coming actually from the hard work and also the policies from Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because of the massive road infrastructure which is happening in the country, because of a lot of constructions that are actually happening in the country. So we don't want to be running short of cement, so we need to keep up with the investment. And as you know, Dangote Cement PLC is the leading cement manufacturer in Africa as a whole. And we are not really going to slow down. We will continue to expand not only in Nigeria, in other African countries. The value of what we are signing today is a rough estimate, but this does not include also the power plant. Yes, so there is a power plant also coming up, which Sinoma is also doing the power plant, but the entire investment, you're talking about almost about $800 million.
Good day and welcome to Top Accolade News. Tonight's major business story. Dangote Cement has signed an $800 million memorandum of understanding with Chinese engineering giant Sinoma International Engineering to expand the Itori Cement Plant in Ogun State. The agreement is expected to significantly increase Nigeria's cement production capacity, create thousands of jobs, and strengthen the country's position as Africa's leading cement producer. The MoU was signed between Dangote Cement plc and Sinoma International Engineering, one of the world's largest cement engineering and construction companies. The project will focus on the expansion of the Itori Cement Plant, located in Awekoro, local government area of Ogun State. According to Dangote Group officials, the expansion is designed to boost production capacity, improve energy efficiency, and support Nigeria's growing demand for cement used in housing, roads, bridges, and other infrastructure projects. The investment is valued at $800 million, making it one of the largest recent industrial investments in Nigeria's manufacturing sector. Industry analysts say the expansion could add millions of metric tons of cement annually to Dangote's existing production network. The Itori facility is already considered a strategic asset because of its proximity to Lagos, Ogun, and other major commercial hubs in southwestern Nigeria. Under the agreement, Sinoma is expected to provide engineering, procurement, construction, and technical support for the project. Dangote Group President Aliko Dangote described the partnership as part of the company's long-term commitment to industrialization, self-sufficiency, and economic growth in Nigeria. He emphasized that increased local production would help reduce dependence on imported building materials and support the federal government's infrastructure development agenda. Economists believe the project could have a major impact on employment and economic activity in Ogun State. During the construction phase, thousands of engineers, technicians, artisans, transport operators, and support workers are expected to be engaged. When completed, the expanded plant is also expected to generate additional permanent jobs in operations, maintenance, logistics, and administration. Beyond employment, the project could stimulate local businesses, including suppliers of limestone, gypsum, transportation services, fuel, packaging materials, and other industrial inputs. Experts also note that increased cement production may help stabilize supply in the domestic market, which is important for Nigeria's rapidly growing housing and infrastructure sectors. Dangote Cement currently operates plants across several African countries and remains Africa's largest cement producer. The new Itori expansion forms part of the company's broader strategy to increase production capacity, improve operational efficiency, and strengthen its export potential within West Africa. The partnership with Sinoma also reflects the growing cooperation between Nigerian industrial companies and international engineering firms in executing large-scale manufacturing projects. To recap tonight's top business story, Dangote Cement has signed an $800 million MoU with Sinoma International Engineering. The agreement will expand the Itori Cement Plant in Ogun State. The project is expected to increase cement production, create jobs, and support Nigeria's infrastructure development and industrial growth. That is the latest on this developing business story.